Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to set DuckDuckGo as default search engine in Google Chrome. Click Customize and control Google Chrome. Click Settings. Click the drop-down menu. Select DuckDuckGo. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.